Okay, today we are going to learn about the metric units of mass. Mass measures the amount of matter in an object. The metric system includes kilograms and grams, while the US customary system includes pounds and ounces. So you might be more familiar with using pounds and ounces to measure mass, but now we're going to focus on the metric system, which focuses on kilograms and grams. So what is a kilogram and what is a gram? First, I have a gram. A gram is about the size of a paper clip or a piece of gum. So it's very small, very light. It does not have a lot of mass. Next, I have a kilogram. A kilogram is larger than a gram. It is about the equivalent to 2.2 pounds. It is probably the size of a pineapple or a toaster. So the equivalent mass and matter of a pineapple and a toaster. So if I wanted to look at, if I was measuring a can of beans, what would I use to measure a can of beans? Am I going to use kilograms or grams? Here I would use grams. Remember, grams are smaller. So if I'm going to measure something small, such as a can of beans, I'm going to want to use the smaller unit. If I was measuring a person, if I want to know how much you weighed, I would probably choose to use kilograms. It is something larger, has more mass or more matter, so I want to use the larger unit. So next, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So this is very similar to when we were doing liters and milliliters, right? 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So these numbers are going to be nice and familiar to us when we start converting. So now, I'm going to erase my board. Okay, if I had 2 kilograms and I wanted to know how many grams it equaled, well, I'm going to keep in mind, remember, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So if I want to figure out how many grams are in 2 kilograms, I'm going to take 2 and multiply it by 1,000. And then I take my 2 and my 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And I have a 1, 2, 3 zeros in my problem. So I need 1, 2, 3 zeros in my answer. So 2 kilograms equals 2,000 grams. Let's do another one together. Okay. What if I have 5 kilograms now, and I want to know how many grams that equals? So how many grams are in 5 kilograms? Let's find out. I would do 5 times 1,000, right? Because there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. And I want to figure out how many there are in 5. So I'm going to multiply 1,000 by 5. So I'm going to take my 5 and my 1. 5 times 1 is 5. And I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros. So my answer would be 5,000. That 5 kilograms is equal to 5,000 grams. We'll do another one. Okay, now I'm given 15 kilograms, and I want to know how many grams that is equal to. So, just like I did my other ones, I'm going to take 15 and multiply it by 1,000, because that's how many grams are in 1 kilogram. Now I need to figure out how many are in 15. So I'm going to take my 15 times 1. I know anything times 1 is itself. So 15 times 1 is going to be 15. And then I have my 1, 2, 3 zeros I need to add on the end. 1, 2, 3. And I get 15,000. So 15 kilograms equals 15,000 grams. Let's do one more together. Okay, let's say I'm given 20 kilograms now. I want to know 20 kilograms equals how many grams? So, starting with my 20 and multiplying by 1,000 for the 1,000 grams that are in 1 kilogram. Now I'm going to figure out how many there are in 20 kilograms. So I'm going to take my 20 and my 1. 20 times 1 is 20, right? Because anything times 1 is itself. And then I have my 1, 2, 3 zeros I need to add on. So I'm going to make sure I'm adding 3. That doesn't include the one that was already there. My answer would be 20,000. All right.